Okay guys, so slightly different one from us today, specifically on getting the floor out of a refrigerated container. The reason for this is that you'll have seen a while back I did a video on us completely rehauling this container because we're going to use it as a hydroponics room, which I will also do a video on for growing salady stuff over winter. Fingers crossed that's going to work. We're in the process of that, so we'll keep you posted. However, when we were taking the floor out, we could not find any information, nothing, no videos, no tutorials on how on earth to get the floor out of that thing. And we really needed to get it out. And so we're just hoping by doing a quick video here, specifically on getting the floor out, one day we're going to help someone out with that, okay? So back to regular programming next week, but for now, enjoy us struggling with the floor.
Okay, so today we've got a refrigerated container and we want to remove the floor because we want to be able to keep it clean and be able to clean it easily. And these refrigerated containers have these aluminium floors which are not very nice to walk on. And this one's had a bit of damage underneath and the floor's popped up. So what we're going to do is we're going to rip it up, fix the floor. We're going to put some tread plate like this down and fully seal it so it's just easy to wash and clean, and we're going to put a drain in under it and everything. But first we have to get this floor up, and it's been an absolute
nightmare.
Yeah, that's it. And so what we've done here is there was bolts at the front and there's bolts at the back. I've taken all the bolts out, but unfortunately the urethane, what I think they did is it's actually stuck to the bottom of this. So, and along the side here, if you look down here, it's actually tucked in with this plastic wrap here and silicone and pop riveted right into the side here, all the way down. And that is going to be a nightmare to get out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put a cut down here on this side here, that side, and then I'm going to use the porta power, which I've got here, to pop it up so it breaks the seal between the urethane. And then I'll probably push it out, and as I'm pushing it, I'll cut it out. And then to get real close into here, I'm going to use my big angle grinder to cut all the way down there. But unfortunately, I've only got a 7-inch angle grinder, 180mm angle grinder. It's not quite enough to do it all in one go, so I'll cut it. So what I'm going to cut it with is this circular saw with a blade that's made for cutting aluminium. So you'll see me do it now. I'm going to put on a face mask, definitely some earmuffs because man, it's going to be loud. I'm not going to lie, that was bloody noisy, but it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Right, so what I've done is I've actually set it so that there should be the exact distance. I'm only cutting aluminium.
Oh, not underneath it.
Yeah, so I'm not cutting the metal struts underneath it, I'm just cutting the aluminium.
Yeah.
And no more. That went so much easier. I'm going to put another cut down the middle.
Just for fun. Oh, because it'll be easier in 2 parts.
What's that?
Because it'll be easier in 2 parts.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's very clean. Right, I'll go and pop it from the other end.
Pretty sure that's what they used to do smear tests with.
I did keep that in the video.
you.
Oh. Sliding out that side, Dave.
Yeah. I see, just putting extenders on it.
What's that?
Just putting extenders on it.
Yeah.
Cunning.
Should we see if I can drag it out?
Go on then.
Oh.
I believe you.
Right. Now I'm just going to cut up chunks so I can fit the scrap in the car. For some reason, very satisfying sound, isn't it?
That is a cool noise. Sounds like something of Star Trek or something.
You
You know what I mean?
That takes how long to work.
I bet. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be doing this without it.
If you want your setup, you're just going to stand on this one if you want. So now we just have to cut out these last two rails. And unfortunately, I can't get the circular saw in close enough to cut them out. So I have to use the giant angle grinder with a bit of soap.
Bit of soap.
A bit of soap, just a little bit of soap makes the blood, it cuts, there's not so much kickback, cuts easier and the blade lasts a lot longer. I don't know why, but it works. So
Just normal bar of soap.
Normal bar of soap, and it works really well.
I'm going to ask a really silly question.
Yeah.
How come? You know how you cut across there and then you're doing these bits last?
Yeah.
How come we didn't just do these bits at the very beginning and just pull it all out as one big chunk?
Because I couldn't get the circular saw in there.
Yeah, but isn't it then? Because you had to use the angle grinder anyway.
I couldn't get the angle grinder in there with the other one on the other side. It wasn't until I cut that other bit out. So with that other ridge there.
Oh, right. Okay.
So
I knew there would be an explanation. I've just been trying to figure out what it was before I posed the question.
That's why I said I bought a 230mm angle grinder instead of a 180mm angle grinder. I wouldn't have had to do it, but...
Ah, right.
So,
okay, cool.
Yeah. So
Silly questions asked by me so viewers don't have to.
Well, I'll tell you what, I wish I'd actually bought a blade that size to fit on the angle grinder, because that cutting blade that's on the circular saw is just so much better for cutting through aluminium than a grinding than a cutting blade. That is how you remove floor.
Woohoo! Hit the like button, leave us a comment down below, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time, and we'll keep you posted with our hydroponics, and check out our full container refurbishment video. Alright, catch ya.